Hello, STEMers, for grade 11 semester 2. So as we are studying Android Studio and how to create mobile applications in computer science using XML and Java. So I prepared this connection between computer science of creating a mobile application using Android Studio version 11 of 2020 and the Capstone project for grade 11 in STEM education. And this project including how to control a production line or a machine or make some modification for creating automation. So the Capstone project about automation in machines or in production line in some factory. So we can use Arduino electronic board and connect it to the mobile application and make some control using the mobile application. So when there is automation, there are different types in programming aspects such as classic programming, control programming, digital control, network control, wired and wireless. Moreover, there is AI, artificial intelligence, or machine learning, or deep learning. And the last, or the AI, ML, and DL, these are modern programming. It's artificial intelligence or machine learning or deep learning. So we will not go deep in this modern programming or digital or control programming or analog control, but we will do very simple application using Android Studio and creating very simple mobile application with just 2 buttons. And we will use the wireless or the Bluetooth module, this one, to connect to the Arduino, which is connected to very simple LED and operate this experiment for developing after that a prototype, very simple prototype to our Capstone project. So how to create an Android app with Android Studio to control LED using Arduino. There is all things in this video. This video is about 6 or till 8 minutes. If you watch this video, it will be clear, you will understand all things. I will put this link in the description so you can watch this. So before we go deep in this video, I would like to show you how the Arduino. So the Arduino language reference, the functions, these are the keywords or the main functions. These are the main functions in the Arduino platform. As you see, there is digital input output, there is math function, there is random numbers function, there is analog input out function, and there is bits and bytes functions, trigonometry functions, and advanced input out functions, characters functions, interrupts functions, communication. Moreover, there is some variables here, the constants, the data types, and the variables call and qualifiers, structure. This is the operators, the pointers, bitwise operators, conversion operators, control structure, compound operators, Boolean operators, or further syntax. So it's a language is using C language or Python. So you can use Python if you'd like. But moreover, we have the types of the Arduino boards which we can use. So we can find it here in these pictures, as you see, or from here. These are Arduino boards. So in details, you can find all the types of Arduino and description for each one. Each Arduino board has its specification and efficient and benefits and the catalog. As you see here, features of different types of Arduino boards. So we have here Arduino Uno, Duo, Mega, Leonardo, and each one has its processor capacity or speed and its memory capacity and digital input out, how many inputs and outputs, the analog input outputs and digital input outputs. So All things are here in this table. Moreover, we have Arduino Uno R3. I will put also this link in the video description. So the Arduino Micro, the Arduino Duo, all things. Arduino Plus is very important because we will use it in this simple project. Okay, so let's go back and in our Word file here. So as easy without sophisticating, we will use just simple tools such as tools built in which built in the mobile smartphone, such as its simple sensors like the GPS sensor or the heat or temperature or humidity sensor as inputs, and maybe creating a simple mobile app which including just simple buttons like the two buttons start and stop for giving orders to the Arduino board through using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth Arduino model such as Arduino Bluetooth. This version, which is ATmega168, and simple LED as output, and will create our program using XML and JAVA, and running it after making the Bluetooth wireless connection to it through the Arduino E board after connecting all inputs and outputs to it. Don't forget to design the project flowchart before starting anything. So let's now go to check and see this video. There are many videos here, but I will select the simplest one, which is this one is the shortest one. It's just less than 9 minutes, and
in today's episode, you will learn how to create your own Android cell phone application to control an LED using Arduino HC-05 Bluetooth module and an Android cell phone. For the best understanding, I used only two buttons, light on and light off, high ampere DC loads. This Android cell phone application is designed and programmed in Android Studio. In this tutorial, 9.1.0 version. If you want to learn how to make a schematic in PCB, this resistor as the LED I used is 5 volts. The main reason I added a 2.5 volt LED, how to change the bearing code. The Bluetooth module TX and RX pins are the TX and RX pins are 13 of the Arduino. So that's the reason I added the software serial.h header file. I defined a serial will be used to store the number, which is earlier this LED can be replaced with a relay. To activate the serial communication from the Android cell phone application, then simply variable data is compared with the password 1 and password 2. Tutorial time limitation. I explained all the designing steps and programming in an article which is available. Generate the APK file. I have already installed the app. Now let's watch this project in action. As you can see, the Arduino is already powered up. I'm using a 12 volt adapter. As you can see,
so I wish you listen in the details of this video and write your comment if there is any problems, and I will reply you in the comments as a comment. And please subscribe to the channel to get every new video we upload, and keep in touch and write a good comment to encourage us to continue, or any comment you would like about asking about this concept or this connection between the Android Studio, Arduino, and your Capstone project, which is related to hardware and controlling a production line or a machine. So share this video if you like it, and write a good comment and like it. Thank you for watching.